right on PTO clutch doesn't want to spin blades, so instead of spending time to fix it, I'm going to go Redneck. A couple pavers on the seat so it'll start up for me, because the ignition for some reason doesn't want to turn the motor on. And then strap this up in a minute because I've got to start it with a screwdriver. So let's just see what's going to happen here. Success. Anyway, we'll strap this on and should be good to mow. We are officially being a redneck. We are officially mowing grass with a push mower on a rider. It's like it's so terrible, it's like trying to back a trailer without knowing what the fuck you're doing. But it's working. Probably should have strapped it a bit better to keep it a bit straighter, but man, I hope you guys can hear me, because this is bloody hilarious. Let's see how straight we can keep this. Like 10 minutes. Didn't even realise that the push mower ran out of fuel because I couldn't hear it over the actual mower. Anyway, probably just be easy to finish that off by hand. Defeated, I guess. Anyway, thanks for watching.